Well, some snarky people seem to think that I could afford a new car if I would quit buying Blizzards. Don't worry about it. This one was full price. This one was 99 cents. And I'm going to get a new car anyway. Well, we're supposed to have bad weather approaching any minute here, and if I'm going to have to deal with bad weather, I'm going to do it with buy one, get one for 99 cents. So I'm going to sit here and eat one of these and see if we have bad weather approaching. Happy Thursday, y'all. Happy Pie Day. No, just chocolate brownie extreme. Life is really, really good for me right now. I have a great job. I have a job where I really, truly can be myself with some, just a good situation. Not that my previous situation wasn't great, it was, but this one's right for me right now. Get to really be myself there. Making a lot more money. Don't have to work nights, weekends. Happy about that. But I have enough money to pay my bills. Not have to worry about that every month. That is a big, huge relief. Very relief. Just sitting here doing that thing I do, sitting in my car, enjoying some peace and quiet. It's been a very eventful week, but a very good one. Also saw the first little scorpion in the bedroom. Very tiny, but still tried to rear its little stinger up to fight me, but I am the dominant species. And I will prevail. Thankfully, they called our morning off, and now we're just under a watch, meaning conditions are favorable. Storms are glorious as long as there's no dangers. Should have captured that lightning there. It smells so good out here. I have some footage up of thunderstorms. If you want to search my channel for rain, there's some of me not talking. I do love capturing this. Rolling thunder. Magnificent. And we had a tornado warning. So I got my tornado shelter set up in record time. Faster every year. A little bit more equipment every year. So how was your week? Mine was great, but guess what? It's raining. We actually had a tornado. You hear that? Somebody's sirens are going off. We were under a tornado warning for a while, and they released it for our area, but it sounds like somebody's sirens are back on. Rain's picking up. Supposed to watch out for dark clouds that appear suddenly. Should I be out here? Maybe I should get back inside. What do you think? Anyway, hope you had a great week. Tell me about it in the comments below. And take care. And stay covered when you're supposed to. Like I probably should be doing that. Bye.